Today we will discuss about crosstalk between N-cadherin and E-cadherin. So basically they wanted to check whether the levels of when the levels of N-cadherin goes down, will it affect MMP9 levels, or when the MMP9 level goes down, will it affect N-cadherin levels. So for that they used siRNA against N-cadherin and the MMP9. The immunofluorescence results when they used siRNA against N-cadherin is shown in the panel A, where for the control we can see that N-cadherin levels are very bright, which is shown by this red fluorescence, and when they used siRNA we can see that there is this red fluorescence got diminished because the expression level of N-cadherin goes down, and this results they have observed in both the cell lines, indicating that the siRNA that they are using seems to be working. So after that they come to the assay. First they check the invasion assay, whether the knocking down of N-cadherin will suppress or will have any impact on this cell invasion or not. So for the control, when they knock down when they use the controlled siRNA and then treat the cells with PMA, they are able to see the cells invasions increases compared to the case where they don't use PMA, don't treat the cells with PMA. However, when they do the similar studies for the cells where they knock down N-cadherin using siRNA, they are able to see a reduced cell invasion compared to the control case. And these things this true for both the cell lines, and it is quantified on the bottom side of the panel B, where we can see that when this control siRNA is used, there is increase in the cell invasion or there is no suppression in the cell invasions. But when they used the N-cadherin, when they knock down N-cadherin, they are able to see a reduced cell invasion for both NPC039 and NPC076. So this is about the impact on the cell invasion of this N-cadherin knockdown. Now they wanted to check the crosstalk. So here for that they use the Western blot, and also this results looks like gelatin zymography results. So on the Western blot it looks like that for the control there is no impact on the N-cadherin and MMP9 levels. When the PMA is there, MMP9 goes up, but when they use the N-cadherin knockdown, the intact N-cadherin goes down. This is expected as N-cadherin has been knocked down. However, they also see a reductions in the MMP9 level, indicating that N-cadherin levels somehow interact or helps in this MMP9 expressions also. So after that, when they knock down MMP9, in that case they are able to see reduced expression of the MMP9, but there is a enhancement of this N-cadherin signals that is evident for this NPC039 cell line, and also for this NPC076 cell lines also. That is, when they knock down MMP9, there is enhanced signals for the intact N-cadherin, even more than the control. And when they did the quantifications, it is clear that for this NPC039 cell lines, when they use PMA, and in case when the MMP9 knockdown is there is increase in the N-cadherin signals even more than the control. And similar results they have seen for NPC076 cell line also. That is, when they knock down MMP9 and treat the cells with PMA, there is a increased intact N-cadherin signals compared to the control. And afterwards they also checked the invasion, whether it will have any impact on the invasion. So here they are able to see that when they use N-cadherin, when they knock down N-cadherin and treat the cell with PMA, there is a reductions in the cell invasion, and this is true for both NPC039 cell lines and also for the NPC076 cell lines. So this in all together indicates that there is a crosstalk. There is evidence that it seems like there is evidence that there is a crosstalk between N-cadherin and MMP9 occurs, and this crosstalk is exist in both the directions. So far from the evidence, it looks like that. So if you need to understand more about these experimental results in detail, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. So that's all for this video. Thank you for your time.